Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another easy video. I'm cooking ground beef, which is picadillo. This is a very easy dish that the whole family will enjoy. We are going to use the ground beef. You can also do this dish with ground pork, also with ground turkey, and it's a nice meal to have with rice. If you like white rice and picadillo right over it, it's a delicious meal that also the kids will enjoy. Besides that, you can also use it to stuff potatoes and other dishes. We are going to use the ground beef, and as you can see, I have peppers, onions, fresh garlic, cilantro, olive oil. We have oregano, cumin, vinegar, olives, garlic, salt, and pepper. I'm starting at medium heat. Olive oil, all the peppers, onions, and garlic. Pretty much everything at once. The oregano. And I forgot to mention the sazon goya. As you can see other videos, I like to use this sazon goya for color. You could do half a package or one. Cilantro. I rinsed the ground beef. You can cook picadillo without tomato sauce or with tomato sauce. So if you like the saucy type of meat over the rice, you want to add tomato sauce or fresh tomatoes and make your own sauce. So that's optional if you like it nice and dry or with some sauce. So we'll add some tomato sauce on this one. This is an easy, fast, and delicious meal to prep, especially moms getting home late from work, but rather cook a home meal. This is a great company to white rice, to pastas, to stuffed peppers, stuffed potato balls, and more. Now that all the meat got seasoned, we're gonna cover and cook for 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and this is the way it's looking. Not too saucy, but if you do like sauce, you can add more at this time, especially if you're using it for spaghettis or pastas. So now we're going to reduce the heat, cover, and reduce to low. And wait another 5 to 10 minutes and it's ready.